Hi everybody, Seasons Outdoors, Ian Banks, out on our first family bike trip. Everybody's catching up. Having the kitty cart that Jackson's outgrown has made this so much easier. Slowly working our way up to doing a camping trip out here in the near future. Gotta get everybody, including myself, in better shape. Here's the kitty cart. Waterproof. We're gonna fix some different things to that. Make it more of a permanent trailer for the bike. Very, very easy to pull along behind you, even with the backpack full of gear on. Finally got down to our destination. Now we're dragging the bikes down the trails. Got Jackson coming in, Mom coming in right behind him. They are doing a great job. We made it to our destination. Let's see if we can't catch some trout. Seasons Outdoors. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Bring it up. Hey. Woo!
I'll get it.
Holy smokes, show that thing to me. Man, that's a Seasons Outdoors, baby. That's what we're talking about. Jackson's first old trout of the season out in Stony Creek.
This little half spot. Grab that next one. Oh, never mind. First fly fish of 2021, baby.